Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Missy and welcome to Bargain Beauty Deals. If you're part of the family, thank you for coming back. My shirt felt like it was creeping up. That was weird. So today we are doing our Boxy Charm box. Now, if you're not familiar, Boxy Charm is a monthly beauty subscription that's $21 a month plus tax, but they do have free shipping. So depending on what your state tax is the additional price of what the box would be. You receive 5 beauty products every month, and it's always valued at $100 or more. Now, I'm not going to do the traditional unboxing, and I'm going to tell you why. I've already recorded this. I did a whole video unboxing it and doing a try-on, and I went to last week, and I went to edit it, and the video was lost. So what I did is I decided to do differently this month is I used all the products. I've been using all the products, and I'm gonna show you the products and let you know how they've been performing for me and what I truly think of them after being able to use them for a week. So this is the box. You open it up and it looks like that. And I put everything back exactly how I found it. The theme this month is Peace, Love, and Boxy, and on the back is everything that you receive, a description of it, and how much it is worth. So we're going to start with the Artist Couture. Artist Couture is in the color Diamond Glow Powder in Purple Dream. And let's see, it has a $27 value, and it is a highlighter. When you open it up, it looks like this. So it looks like it's like this beigey color, but it's not. I do have it on today. I don't know if you can tell. You can see that right here. It does go on purple. It has a purple shift to it. Let's see if I can get some and swatch it on my hand. I swatch it on my hand. It's very, I mean, this, I'm barely trying to dab into it. You guys, this stuff is like a messy. It's a loose highlighter. But it's really pretty. I do actually really like it, and because I'm really into purple, it's my favorite color, I was skeptical on it, but I actually really like it. I really like how it wears, so I'm down for this. And again, that's a $27 value. I've never received Artist Couture before, and I've never had a loose highlighter, pigment highlighter before, so I love it. Next thing in the box are our 3-piece Luxie brush set. The Luxie, the Summer Days 3-piece brush set has a $28 value. Again, I'm going to let you know I have used them. So we open it up. The first one is use the 612, right? The 512 small contouring brush to sculpt and define your cheekbones. And I initially used this when I did my first time to try to use it for the highlight. I do not recommend it, but this is great for contouring. So, and they have this little ombre look, so they're great. So this is great for contouring. I really, really liked it. They're super soft. They're great for that. The next one is the 245. Where's the 245? This is the small shader. It looks like this. Is perfect to pat on base, shadow, and glitter, and that's exactly what I was using. I used it to put on my glitter glue and apply my glitter. I am wearing glitter today, and it works. It works. It's actually really great. This is a great brush. Now my next brush is the Luxie 209 large shader brush to pat on and blend out an eye look. So I did use this on a couple eye looks to pat on and do a purple look, and you can buff it out. It's not my favorite blending brush, but it's definitely great for patting on the shadow when you're trying to do like the full lid and a bright look, and we'll get into that as well. So I really like the brushes. These are my first Luxie brushes to get from Boxy, so I really enjoyed them. These are a $28 value, if I have not said that already. And like you can see, they've gotten some love. They are dirty. I've been using them. Next is the Appeal Cosmetics holographic lip gloss, and they say it's a $21 value, and it's supposed to be holographic shine. I'm wearing today. It's not a holographic shine. It's a glitter lip gloss. I mean, it's a lip gloss. It's shiny more than it's glittery. It's not worth $21, but I'll probably use it sometimes. Not to be rude, but it's the truth. Next is the Bodyography pencil, eye pencil in the color Bali Bronze. It's super smooth, coconut oil infused eye pencil, glides on without dragging. Okay, I've tried to use this 8,000 times. This is the color, and it's a gorgeous color. It's a gorgeous bronzer color, bronze liner color. I can't put it on my eyes because it is so hard. It is painful. So I'm not wearing this today, and I tried to put it in my waterline to do like just like a bronzy color on my waterline, and it wouldn't come off. It wouldn't go on my waterline at all. This I will not use. This is not worth the $14 they say. You can get a Wet n Wild eye pencil for 99 cents, and it's better quality than this Bodyography. And I felt like their lip liners were the same way. I do not like Bodyography, and I say that in my reviews of them all the time when I go in and review what we get. They're crap. Bodyography's crap. Sorry, Bodyography. It's true. The next thing we received, I hate being rude, but it's just the truth. It's just horrible. It was so painful for me to try on. I got pissed off every time I tried to use it, so I just stopped trying to use it. Next is the Pure Festival, the Pure Complexion Authority Festival Palette. Unleash the ultimate festival vibes with this limited edition 12-piece pressed pigment palette that's complete with bold, imaginative pigments that elevate your look for any occasion. From boho-inspired metallics to eye-catching glitters, each cruelty-free shade is infused with skin-loving ingredients. And this is a $36 value. People were saying that they didn't like the Pure palettes made for Boxy. This is not made for Boxy. This is a palette that Pure was putting out. And when I saw Pure was putting it out, I was so excited. I really wanted to get it. And then literally weeks later, I found out we were getting in Boxy. And I was like, ah! Like, I was so excited. So this is what the outside of the box looks. Let's see. You open it up. And it did come, I don't know where that went though. Is that in there? It did come with like a eye primer sample too. I lost that because again, I've been wearing it. So it looks like this in this sunglass. So pretty. You open it, mirror it up. It has a mirror right there. And these are the colors. You guys, these are so beautiful. They are all pressed pigments. They're really pretty. They're so pretty. They are pigment, so they are a little harder to work with than a shadow, but the pigmentation pays off. The glitters are really hard to work with. Not my favorite. They tend to crease and fall off. And I will say that the purple has a lot of fallout, but so you do probably be really careful and go on really lightly, or do your eyes first and then your face second. But what I love about there's glitters, there's pressed glitters, which I love. There's shimmers and there's mattes, and then there's neutrals and then pops of colors. Now some people are saying that they don't like that's kind of not very cohesive, but what I think is great about it is there's a color that I can use for my transition, and then I love bright colors, but not everybody loves bright colors, or you don't always want a bright colored look. Sometimes you want to go for a softer, more natural look, and with this palette you could do it all. This is a palette I would definitely travel with, just because I could do all, I'm going to say day-to-day look with these neutral colors and the browns and the bronzes, or I could do a bright glittery look, which I do a bright glittery look every day, so that's not like out of my norm for me. But not everybody's comfortable with it, so I definitely think this is worth it. So I have loved this palette. I have been reaching for this all week. I've been using it all week. I have one day I used one other palette, and I used this with it. So I love this palette. I love how it works. I love working with it, and I really think Pure hit it out of the park with that. So I love this month's box. I'm not that great on this. I have another subscription box that I know I already saw a sneak peek of, and I'm getting this in it as well. And I only paid $13.99 for the whole box. I'm so sick of getting Bodyography in these boxes just because they're crap product. I love, look at this color. It's just so pretty, and I can't use it. Like, I can't use it. I've tried 3 or 4 times, and I just can't use it. So I will get tons of use out of the brushes. and I will get tons of use out of the palette, and I'm sure I know I'll use the highlight again, just for when I'm doing fun little purpley looks. So I did really enjoy this month's box. Let me know down below, are we box twins? Did you like what you got in the box? If you got this bodyography or any bodyography in the past, what do you think of it? Do you like it? Or are you like me where you're like, quit sending us bodyography, it's crap? Let me know down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, you guys. I do currently still have a giveaway going on. If you're interested in entering that, I will leave a link down below in the description. I have it going on until May 1st. And if we get to 200 subscribers, there will be 2 winners. So we're at 50 something. So let's go, guys. Let's get it. Let's subscribe. So I'll leave the link down below. And on that video, you can enter the giveaway. Thank you guys so much if you stuck around till the end of this. And I appreciate you all so much. I'll see you later. Bye.